Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is our second video in our series of covering basic grammar and morphology, and bi'idhnillahi ta'ala we'll be continuing off from our last lesson where we took pronouns. So in our last lesson we looked at pronouns like I, we, he, she, they. If you didn't watch that video, please go back, as you need the content from that video. You need to have memorized those pronouns, their meanings, and memorize them in the correct order in order to benefit from today's lesson. So in the last lesson we took ana, I, nahnu, we, anta, you for one woman, for one man. So anta, you for one man, anti, you for one woman, antuma, you for two people, male or female, antum, you for a group of males or for a mixed group, antunna for a group of females, also meaning you. And we took huwa, which is he, huma, which is they for two people, male or female, hum, which is they for a group of males or a mixed group. We took hiya, which is she, huma, which is they for two males, two females, one man or one woman, so the gender doesn't matter, but it's they for two people, and hunna for they for a group of females. Now in today's video we're going to be continuing, but we're going to take nouns with the possessive pronouns. So for example, book, how do you say my book, our book, their book, her book, his book? So bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, that's what we'll be taking today. So let's get going. The first one is Kitab. So book is Kitab plus ana, so my book, it's Kitabi. Kitab plus nahnu is Kitabuna, our book. Kitab plus anta is Kitabuka, which is your book for one male. Kitab plus anti is Kitabuki, your book for one female. Kitab plus antuma is Kitabukuma, which is your book for two people, male or female. Kitab plus antum, which is Kitabukum, your book for a group of males or for a mixed group. Kitab plus antunna, which is Kitabukunna, which is your book for a group of females. Kitab plus huwa is his book. Kitab plus huma is their book for two people, whether they are male or female. Kitab plus hum, which is Kitabuhum, which is their book for a group of males or for a mixed group. Then you have Kitab plus hiya, which is Kitabuha, which is her book. And then you have Kitab plus huma, which is Kitabuhuma, which is their book for two people, male or female. And Kitab plus hunna, which is their book for a group of females. So you have Kitabi, which is my book, Kitabuna, which is our book, Kitabuka, which is your book for one man, Kitabuki, which is your book for one woman, excuse me, Kitabukuma, which is your book for two people, male or female. Kitabukum, which is your book. Kitab plus huwa is Kitabuhu, which is his book. Kitab plus huma, which is Kitabuhuma, means their book. It's for two people, male or female. Kitab plus hum is Kitabuhum, which is for a group of males, meaning their book. And then there's Kitab plus hiya, which is Kitabuha, that's her book. Then Kitab plus huma, which is Kitabuhuma, which is their book for two people, male or female. And then there's Kitab plus hunna, which is Kitabuhunna, which is for a group of females. That means their book. So there's Kitabi, my book, Kitabuna, our book, Kitabuka, your book for one male, Kitabuki, your book for one female, Kitabukuma, your book for two people, irrespective of them being male or female, Kitabukum, which is your book for a group of males or a mixed group. Kitabukunna, which is your book for a group of females. Kitabuhu, his book. Kitabuhuma, their book for two people, male or female. Kitabuhum, for a group of people, their book, and they are male or a mixed group. Then you have Kitabuha, which is her book. Kitabuhuma, their book, which is for two people, male or female. And Kitabuhunna, their book, which is for a group of females. Now it's very important that you take this noun, kitab, or any other noun, and memorize it with the possessive pronouns, and also practice with other nouns like ism or lugha or kursi or anything. Any nouns that you can think of, practice using these possessive pronouns with them. I have a document that has 3 nouns in there. There's kitab, lugha and ism. Please fill in the link or the form in the link, and bi'idhnillahi ta'ala you'll get it via email. And please master this lesson before you move on to our next class, and bi'idhnillahi ta'ala I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.